So Redtiger has launched the world's first ultra color dash cam. So this means it can convert the existing black and white footage, monochrome footage into a full color video. Now this technology uses an AI based algorithm and image processing to convert the black and white footage which we usually see in the interior or the cabin camera during nighttime into a full color video. And even the front camera, when it shoots any parking video when it's black and white, you can convert it into a full color video, enhancing the details, giving you more information and more depth into the kind of video quality you might expect from the dash cam. So this is the new feature of the newly launched Redtiger F17 Elite. Following the trend of the older Redtiger F17, they have launched the F17 Elite model, and this camera doesn't just get some minor upgrades, it gets major upgrades over its previous model. So this is one dash cam which you should be definitely considering as your next possible purchase. So what's so special about this camera, and should you be buying this? Well, let's dive down and take a look. So before we talk about the features, let's quickly get the price aspect sorted. So this dash camera is already available for purchase on Amazon at a price of about 29,000 rupees, but you can get a discount of 1,500 rupees straight up on this camera and also get a free hardware kit if you use the link given in the description below. So just click down on the description, click on my affiliate purchase link, and you can get this camera at a price of 27,500, and along with that get a free hardware kit as well instead of paying a 29,000 amount right up on Amazon. So this dash camera, similar to its previous model, is a triple channel dash cam, but this time the front camera and the rear camera get Starvis to sensor, and based on the data, based on the info that they've provided, the front camera gets a Starvis to IMX678 sensor and the rear camera gets a IMX675. The rear camera resolution has been bumped up from a full HD to a 2.5K resolution. This camera now also supports dual HDR, which means HDR on the front and HDR on the rear. And as mentioned previously, the most premium feature and the selling point of this camera is that it can convert the cabin camera's video during nighttime, which usually is black and white for most cameras, or should I say almost all cameras. It can convert that black and white footage into a full color video. And this applies to the front camera as well. Even the footage shot using the front camera, if it is black and white, can be bumped up to a full color video. That's super cool to look at now, isn't it? In terms of convenience, this camera gets a 3-inch touchscreen. Now I personally prefer touchscreens a lot because they make life so much easier with dash cameras. It is so easy to operate or access the settings or change any settings in the dash camera, especially during nighttime, because straight up it's a touchscreen. It's just like handing your smartphone. And on top of the touchscreen, you also get a voice control, so that makes things even more easier. This camera also gets the latest Wi-Fi 6 standards and gets 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which means you can transfer a minute of 4K video file within a matter of less than 10 seconds. This camera also gets GPS so that you can track your car once it's arrived back at your location and you've downloaded the data of its journey. This camera is super capacitor based, which means theoretically it is better at handling heat and better at handling various different temperatures. This camera also gets a 24-hour parking mode with specific features such as impact detection and time-lapse monitoring. But do note that to enable parking monitoring, you will need a dedicated hardware kit, which you can get for free along with the camera at a discounted price using my affiliate link, which is given right down below in the description. Last but not the least, the F17 Elite also supports memory cards up to 512 GB, which means you have extended duration of videos being recorded and stored on the camera without you having to worry about loop recording. But that being said, you get a free 128 GB card pre-inserted into the camera when you purchase using my affiliate link. So this means you don't have to worry about getting a memory card straight up when you buy the dashcam. But if you do prefer to upgrade the memory storage, it can support up to 512 GB. So these are the top features of the newly launched Redtiger F17 Elite. And if you're already impressed with this camera and you want to buy it, go ahead, click down on the description and buy it using my affiliate link to get a free hardware kit along with a 1,500 rupee discount straight up on the price. That being said, I will be getting this camera pretty soon and I've already contacted Redtiger for it. So as soon as it comes, you will get all the updates about this camera, of course, along with a full review of the F17 Elite. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss that important video. If you do have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.